everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, my Filipino cooking channel. Look what I found, guys. I don't know whether to kiss it, to cook it, but it does give me an idea for another recipe. Let's put him back. Oh, poor thing. Today's recipe is crispy fried frog's legs. Today's recipe is garlic fried frog's legs. Today's recipe is frog's legs, cooked in a honey and a garlic sauce. Today's recipe is palaka humba, a hot and sticky frog legs. Today's recipe is palaka kare-kare, a frog's leg stew with peanut butter. Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. Today's recipe is adobo paa ng palaka, frog's legs adobo. Let's give him a kiss. Actually, don't have to. I already have my Prince Charming mark. Now let's taste the garlic frog's legs. So delicious. Try. Today's recipe is hot sticky frog's legs. Oh, I love this music. It makes me wanna dance. Oh, we have to start cooking. Wow, perfect crispy frog's legs. Now let's taste my crispy fried frog's legs. Crispy and delicious. Try some. Oh, lovely. You can really smell the garlic and honey. Serve with rice or some bread to soak up that lovely garlic butter. Ah, frog legs kare-kare. Looks delicious and tastes delicious too. Now let's try one. Wow, that's a hot sticky frog's legs. Try some. And that's a bigger one. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. Please subscribe to our channel. More recipe to follow. Thanks for watching and see you soon.